Welcome back, Infinite Learners. In this video, I will be sharing to you a free and unlimited text-to-speech online website from Microsoft just like this.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Before we dive in, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, go to Google and search for ClipChamp. Click on the first link that appears. Sign in if you have an account, otherwise create a new one. To start converting text into audio, click Create New Video. There is no option for a direct audio file here, so what we need to do is create a video and then convert it to MP3 to get the audio file. Click Record and Create. Scroll down and click Text-to-Speech. You will be seeing this panel. On the right side, under Text, paste your script. Choose a voice you want. There are a bunch of beautiful and free voices available. You can also try a language you want.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing. There is also a Filipino language available. When all set, click Save. The generated voice in MP4 format will be displayed in the middle. You can tap the spacebar to play this. What's up, Infinite Learners? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's episode, we're going to explore different topics that will help you learn and grow. To save this, in the upper part, you can click Export and export this in MP4 format since no audio option is available. Scroll down and select the lowest resolution, which is 480p. The reason for this is that we will only obtain the audio, not the video. That's it. You now successfully create an audio speech out from the text for free. If you have more questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.